Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to sounds and vibration. And here select SIM1 phone ringtone. And here by default it is set to Jovi lifestyle. If you would like to set to other ringtone, just choose from the available ringtones. I have selected this ringtone. Okay. So these are only system ringtone. If you would like to set a song as a ringtone, click on custom ringtone, and if you have any song in your local gallery, they will be listed here. But as of now, I don't have anything, so it shows nothing. Okay, so I go back. Okay, here what I selected from system ringtone, that is now set for SIM1 ringtone. In a similar way, you can set ringtone for SIM2. Click on SIM2 phone ringtone and select any tone here. Either you can choose from the system available tone or custom ringtone. Okay, here I have selected this one and just go back and it will be activated. So in this way you can easily set ringtone in your phone for both SIM1 as well as SIM2 in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.